Need to fluidly integrate support across your organization? The HappyFox apps ecosystem centralizes your tools and third-party integrations, giving agents complete context without switching systems. Just navigate to apps from the main menu to start discovering how you can connect your HappyFox help desk with other powerful applications that are already part of your organization's software stack. Native help desk goodies. These built-in tools seamlessly connect data to your systems, enhancing your help desk's core capabilities. Use API and webhooks to create custom connections or trigger real-time actions in external software based on ticket events. Deploy support widgets to offer a customizable interface on any web page, letting customers search FAQs or submit tickets instantly. JSON Web Token ensures secure single sign-on, allowing users to log in with your existing company portal. Third-party apps connect the business systems your team relies on daily. Browse our marketplace for a wide range of third-party integrations like CRM, e-commerce context to access purchase history, or lead details from Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics, or Shopify directly within the ticket sidebar. Enhance collaboration by linking with Jira, Asana, Slack, or Microsoft Teams to sync support tickets with operational tasks. Ensure security. Streamline agent authentication and manage secure access using platforms like Okta or Microsoft Entra. From marketing and asset management to surveys and beyond, connect every domain of your business. By integrating these powerful apps, HappyFox serves as a central hub for your support team's intelligence and automation. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit HappyFox University for more videos like this one.